class, this is just a perfect example of what I was talking about, how you can pretty much just tell people whatever you want. These are all various kinds of glue. Most of these appear to be classified under a single SDS. If I take a look at, let's see here, the SKUs, BG10 and let's see, oh, yep, nope, there it is, BG10. We have Hog Glue. It's orange, and it says that it's the designer glue, and black glue for warmer temperatures. HG10 for Hog Glue. Yep, there it is, HG10. GG10, and let's see, oh, yep, first one, GG10. Root beer up here for RBG10, yep, RBG10. Tequila, TEQ, yep, there it is, the tequila one. The fun part is that we've been discovering after hours of testing and wondering, wow, these are all like the same performance. They have one SDS sheet. It's a single manufacturer that puts them on a single sheet. Legally, this has to list what's in these with no exceptions. So either they're selling different products under the same one and a blatant disregard for safety standards and also illegal, or more than likely, it's the same thing, but with different amounts of dye. They've just colored them differently. And it says, part 9 here, because that's the most important one, this product is sold in various colors with no odor. Now, there are a couple exceptions to this. Weld actually has its own, which is superior adhesion and performance. But unfortunately, looking through this, you'll find it is in fact the exact same as the others. So these three over here are not covered under the main SDS. This one's from Brazil. It's very new. We theorize it is in fact the same as these, but because it's so new, we haven't actually been able to get the SDS on it yet. So without that safety data sheet, we're unsure. This one's from Canada. The SDS requirements are usually only for the United States of America, so we weren't able to get an SDS specifically on this one. However, all of the research that we've done for this one is telling us it is in fact made of the exact same stuff all the other glues are. And then, of course, to round it all off, because we like to play fair, we have Old Reliable from Home Depot. 12 sticks for $7.67. This one has its own SDS. Looking at this, it seems very similar, if not the exact same. Science of Reason says it's the same thing. The marketing says otherwise. And that's kind of the point.